So to install the Arduino IDE, there are two options, as it says here in the instructions, and I'm gonna do the second one, which is installing in the host operation system. So what you do is, for the first step, you go to the Arduino, go to software and downloads, and then right over here you click on Windows, and you should be able to see the download coming up. So I've done that. So it's done. Then close. You can close this. And now what you do is you go back to the openplcproject.com and go to getting started, runtime, and then go scroll down until you see Arduino. Then you click on it and then choose this option here, since we're using the Uno. So you want to upload the Arduino firmware. So click on that, and I've done that already. So double click, and then double click on the OpenPLC Uno. It's gonna open the IDE Arduino, and now what you do is you connect the Arduino. Mine is already connected, and first you verify the code. Oh, I see why I'm getting this error. Because I need to extract this. So make sure you extract this first. It's right here. And then now you double click. So verify the code. And then upload. So now retry to upload another serial port. Choose COM3. And then click OK. And then you're done uploading. So after you upload the firmware, you can close this, go to the VM, go to the PLC VM, settings, serial port, enable serial port, and at this time you need to have the same port number as you had in the IDE. Okay, if you don't know the port that are you using, go back to the IDE, and if you go to tools right here, it's gonna tell you which one you're using. Okay, so just go back, make sure it's the same port mode, change it to host device. Okay, and this you're gonna replace with port number COM3. Okay, So that's it. And now if you run again, start the PLC again. Then you just start it. Go back here and then go to um, localhost. Now go to slave devices, add new device, add a name, Arduino, and then you should have here a port already set up. And then after that, you just click save device.